Working in the rain, man. It's not too much fun. Just cutting away all this bush here away from the shed, but this rain is heavy. It hasn't rained in months, and now it's just coming down like madness. Anyways, back to work. Stacking hay in like scorching heat is not fun. But I got her done, and the shaving stack too. So, yay for me, guys! Thumbs up. Oh God, it's Dan.
It's Dan.
What's that?
LMC Truck Pictures.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Were you just at my mom's place?
Yeah.
Van.
My work van.
Where do you work?
For LDI Commercial Kitchen Services.
I'm confused.
Business.
I haven't seen you in so long, buddy.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Fix ovens.
You fix ovens? Do you fix fridges?
No, I don't fix fridges.
Was this your business in
Edmonton.
Alright, you just moved it out here?
Yeah.
Rocking and rolling, bud. Alright, that's Dan's Rx-7. Well, the sound of it at least. She sounds pretty damn good, man. It's like literally shaking the floor in here. Pretty nice. Oh yeah, that does it. That goes. Is that still on the cracked 350 block you had? All right, so this block is held together with, what did you fix it with?
JB putty.
Your JB pipe or what?
JB weld the putty.
Oh, just
Yeah.
because JB weld held that motor together.
I've had.
I was going to say thanks for coming by, and I'm going to pimp your company, which is lditex.com. Commercial kitchen service.
Yeah, I'll let you know if you can. We're not doing too much.
What do you
for barbecue?
What do you fix? You fix commercial
I
stoves.
fix ovens and stuff.
Okay, so call this guy if you need your ovens and stuff
That's
fixed.
right. See that kind of stuff?
Yeah, that stuff right there.
That stuff.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, and look at this. Finally, after the shoot was months ago, I got I got the leaflet for Nikki's Fun 56, and I took that shot. I think my mom took these shots, and this is all published. So I'm now a published photographer. Sorta. And yeah, nice story and everything. That's Buddy Dan. I guess he moved back here from Calgary after many a year living, up in Calgary. But yeah, before that we were like good friends back in the day. So he's back in town, which is cool because all my friends seem to have moved to Alberta. Now they're all coming back. But that's it for now. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.